Okay, thank you.
We have chicken, fish, crab, and dal.
Onion?
Or mix. Alright. The crab curry. And this is the fish. Chicken. And dal.
Thank you.
Then for you, this is the crab. Fish. And chicken.
you.